My name is Sasha, and today I'd like to show you how art and code can be combined to create something amazing. Yeah, just difference. I mean, there's so many restaurants. I was born and raised here. I've lived here my whole life. I went to kind of school in the deep south, kind of, in near Somerset, so kind of way down there. And yeah, I've been basically, after high school, I decided I'd like to create stuff with technology, with art and tech. So I decided to apply for computer science, and at UofC, I did my degree, and that was great. During my undergrad, I ended up working at the Apple Store a lot, so that was kind of fun. It was great because I got to see different walks of life kind of using technology, right? So someone would come in who had never used a smartphone before, and I would, watch them try to use it and try to help them. And what that kind of turned into in university was also looking at how user interfaces should be designed for everyone, right? And so these kind of two worlds that seem separate kind of merged together, and I ended up actually doing a ton of research at the university in user interfaces, data visualization, and kind of how to design the best kind of products, I guess, right, or apps and interfaces for tech stuff. And so this was actually one of the first apps I ever built. In the meanwhile, I also was developing apps for a lot of the people in Calgary. So after taking this iOS development course in my undergrad, a local vocal coach here in Calgary actually hired me and took a chance on me to make an app for her. And she basically was looking to develop an app to help her create vocal coaching programs for her clients. So she helps artists from around the world train their voices for performances and things, and she was tired of using these kind of very difficult tools for doing so. If we listen to it. So that's kind of the exercise to expect her artists to use. And so, yeah, she took a chance on me, and we worked together and we collaborated, and I made her an app that basically now she uses to create these packages and help artists train their voices.
Out of 10%.
I'm going to do my best, and probably there's going to be a bunch of holes.
And that's fine.
I think that's fine. Creating a new company from scratch is really difficult because you're kind of not too sure if what you're going to make is going to succeed at all, and most likely it's not going to. The thing that's helped me a lot is just having a lot of people that want to see me succeed and help me through these things, right? So a bunch of us, we kind of got together, and we were all working on individual kind of tech projects, and we all kind of wanted to kind of collaborate individually with just kind of dispersed amounts of people in different projects. So instead of us basically sitting like in the garage somewhere and just doing our own thing, let's get the community involved. And so our club is totally not exclusive to like tech people. We invite everyone to join from all walks of different backgrounds, and we think we can use that in any way. And also the other half is we'd like to get local companies involved too. And so the things we build in this AI club are not just for ourselves, it's for community members who maybe have a small business. And so right now we're actually partnering with kind of Luke's. We're building a robot for Luke's Cafe in the Central Library just down here. And that robot is going to deliver coffee to people throughout the kind of the area. So so it's a good kind of experience. I think we can learn about AI by building, and that's kind of the purpose of the club. I guess the way that these projects really help the community is actually by building the community itself, right? So getting people excited about technology here and say, hey, this is actually happening here, is cool, and kind of encouraging people to stay here to build this tech network, I think is huge, because Calgary is wide open for so much growth in that space. We can build a tech community here. I'd love to.